Hey there, welcome. If you're using Webflow and you want to take your website building skills to the next level, then you're going to love this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to supercharge your Webflow projects by tapping into the power of libraries. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to discover, install, and use pre-made components that can save you time, streamline your workflow, and help you build beautiful sites faster than ever before. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's learn how to actually access the libraries feature within Webflow. This is a bit of a hidden gem if you've never stumbled across it before. All you need to do is press the A key on your keyboard while you're in your Webflow designer. This is like a secret handshake, just one tap and it brings up the Layouts panel. Now take a look on the left side and you'll notice a section called Libraries. Go ahead and click that. Here where the magic happens. Inside the Libraries panel, you'll find a treasure trove of pre-designed components, everything from hero sections and pricing tables to footers, cards, and more. Imagine building a website like playing with Lego blocks. These libraries give you ready-made building pieces that snap together, instantly elevating your design while allowing you to customize as needed. You can mix, match, and tweak these components to fit the exact style you're after, without reinventing the wheel each time. Now there's another fantastic way to broaden your options even further by visiting the Webflow Libraries marketplace. If you're hungry for even more unique components, either free or paid, this is the place to go. You'll want to head over to the Libraries section on the Webflow site. Here you'll see a really diverse collection curated by different creators. It's sort of like browsing an app store, but instead of apps, you're looking for design elements that are going to speed up your project. Let's say you find a library you like. Click on it to view the details, take your time to check out sample components, read creator notes, and get a feel for how it might fit into your project. When you're ready, there's usually an Install Library button. If it's a free library, you can just click Install Library Free, and after a moment, it will be available right inside your Layouts panel in Webflow. Don't worry if it takes a minute or two for the library to appear. Sometimes it needs a second to sync with your project. Once your new library is installed, you'll spot it on the Layouts panel right below the built-in Start Library. All your installed libraries are nicely organized. Now you can start dragging components straight from the new library into your project. No copying, no pasting, no fuss. Think of these libraries as your creative toolkit. Whether you're spinning up a landing page on a tight deadline or trying to polish a client site with fresh, dynamic sections, these pre-made elements help you work smarter, not harder. And the best part, every component is still customizable, so your site will always feel original and on-brand. And there you have it. By mastering Webflow libraries, you'll not only boost your efficiency, but you'll also open the door to more professional, polished designs without the stress. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what library or component you're most excited to use, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more hands-on Webflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.